We are live on Greyhound 2208 for this 2018 Panini Absolute Football 1 4-count box break live number 21. Please help us out and subscribe to us on YouTube, Greyhound 2208. Our eBay ID is silverfieldstoo, JJ Toys, Clothing, Gifts, Collectibles. What time is it, North Carolina? Well, according to Google, it is 10:30 p.m. Eastern, Tuesday, October the 2nd, as scheduled and promised for the break. We've got random.org set up, 32 teams, just in case we need it. Here's our box and all of our teams that are accounted for. Here we are for each team. There you have it. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this box. Good luck. Hopefully we pull some great stuff for you guys. This one's up underneath here. All right. Empty box. Alright, 4 packs. Here we go. I've not seen these cards yet, so not sure what to expect. Oh, they're nice looking. Alright, Jerick McKinnon, 49ers. Marlon Mack, Colts. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Kirk Cousins, Vikings. Deshaun Watson, Texans. Derrick Henry, Titans. Aaron Donald, Rams. James White for the Patriots. Actually looks a little bit different here. Nothing spectacular. There's an autograph. Signature Standouts. Mike Hughes, Vikings. That's a nice auto. Alright, Atlanta Falcons. 1-2 punch. Matt Ryan, Julio Jones. That's a cool insert too. And the auto here is not numbered, but that's pretty cool. It's a pretty neat looking card. Alright. Pack 2. Andy Dalton, Bengals. Jacoby Brissett, Colts. Chris Thompson, Redskins. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Zay Jones, Bills. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Jameis Winston, Buccaneers. Tyreek Hill, Chiefs. Here's a rookie, Alex Mago for the Seahawks. And Ozzie Newsome, Revolutionaries. Not numbered. And here's a kid reporter. We'll give that away at the end, random. Pack 3. Alrighty. Greg Olson, Panthers. Jonathan Stewart, Giants. Case Keenum, Broncos. Alex Collins for the Ravens. Chris Hogan, Patriots. Jarvis Landry for the Browns. Alshon Jeffrey, Eagles. There's a nice Dak Prescott, Cowboys. It's like a holographic looking thing. And another rookie, Justin Reed for the Houston Texans. See the Prescott, it's not numbered. but it's got a different holographic look to it. The Justin Reed. Here's a late game heroics, Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. And then this rookie is not numbered either. All right. 3 down, 1 to go. Good luck on the last one. Got another kid reporter. So we will use the random on the kid reporter. Ryan Tannehill, Dolphins. Mitchell Trubisky, Bears. Played well the other night. Odell Beckham Jr., Giants. Demaryius Thomas, Broncos. James White, Patriots. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. It's a regular one. Jay Ajayi, Eagles. Alright, here is a gold rookie. And it's like a holographic type thing. Derek Noddy for the Chiefs. And here is a T.Y. Hilton, covering ground. Not numbered, but that's a insert. Alright, and our hit in here. How about a Kerryon Johnson, rookie force for the Lions. I saw over the weekend when they played first time they've had a 100-yard rusher in like 31 games or something like that, and it was him. And he had another good game, so good hit for the Lions. Alrighty, that concludes that. And we'll do the random for these 2 kid reporters. So let me pull this down here. Keyboard. Alright, pull it random.org. And we'll hit this 3 times for the first one. 1, 2, 3. So team 12, which will be the Green Bay Packers. So Green Bay Packers, you get one of the kid reporters. And the last one, 1, 2, 3. Number 17. So team 17 is the, oops, what did I do here? Jacksonville Jaguars. And so you'll get the other one. All right. Well, that concludes the break. Hopefully everybody had fun. Please check out our future breaks. We've got current breaks listed. We'll have more listed in the future. Till next time. Bye.